Hey guys, came out here with Marley for a couple days to do some rabbit and quail hunting. Bit overcast, but it seems to be pretty nice out here. I'm using this QB78 CO2 rifle I put together last week, and I had a smaller scope on it, and I decided to change it out to this Hawk Sport HD. It's a 412 by 50, and it seems to work a little better on this gun. The other scope just didn't have a wide enough field of view, and this seems to be a little better match for at least the kind of hunting I'm doing. And then too, I brought this monopod shooting stick, which I don't use that often, but in terrain like this, I'll say it's really handy. It makes offhand shooting a whole lot easier, and too, you can kind of use it as a walking stick, and it folds up real small and it'll fit in my pack. The other thing, let me put this down for a second, is the other thing I like about this gun, besides it being really light, is it cocks really easy, and it's got a large enough loading port that makes, you know, being able to load it a whole lot easier, and it real smooth. I mean, I did some trigger work to it, and I sanded the stock, put a sling on it, cleaned the barrel, and other than that, this thing is, you know, it's a $100 gun, and I'm getting really great accuracy out to about 40 yards with it, and I'm getting about 50-60 shots, you know, with two CO2 cartridges in here. And you know, this wouldn't be a gun that you'd want to use in cold weather, obviously, but we're out here, you know, it's in the high 70s, mid 80s, and that kind of temperature is perfect for CO2. And like I said, it's real lightweight, real nice little gun. It's not very fatiguing to carry around all day. And so I'm gonna go out and see if Marley and I can get any rabbits and possibly some quail. So wish us luck, and I'll talk to you soon.